In today's video, I'm going to show what we can make with parchment paper and a glass jar. So if you're new to what is parchment, it is like butter paper but a thicker one. So this is like some 200 GSM in thickness. So you can see that it's much thicker and also it's translucent. So we are going to use this to make a craft for Christmas. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my glass jar and mark the size of it. I need the paper to be till the rim of this jar. And I have this strip of paper. So I also wanted to go around this. And here you can see this part is much bigger. I need only a little bit. I'm done cutting it, and now when I put it around the glass, you can see only a little bit is over here. So now let's go on with the quilling part. So I'm going to grab my quilling paper strips. I'm going to use white color strips for today. I'm taking some white quilling paper strips, a board with some white glue, and a quilling tool. I'm going to use my slotted tool or the quilling tool to make a coil and then gradually leave it. Apply some glue to the tip of the paper. A little bit of glue is enough. And then press it, make a teardrop like shape, and then I'm going to press it to make a shape like this. Now for the larger part, I'm going to press them again to make some stick it. I'm going to use a non-sticky surface. So here I'm using a file leaf, and now I'm going to arrange them like a flower. So I will be needing 5 of them. So now it looks like the shape of a flower. These are some which I have done earlier and glued them up. You can just use a single one of these poinsettias, or if you want more 3D look or more texture, then you can just put another one like this. Take some glue, then adhere them over this. To create center of these poinsettias, what I do is apply some glue, and then you can take some beads and then put them randomly and then allow it to dry. And now we can grab our piece of vellum or the parchment cardstock. Now to adhere this, I'm going to use some double-sided tape. This double-sided tape is so thin like a fabric. Make sure that you're sticking it to the corner. And we need this one to be smaller, because if you're going to use a broader size double-sided tape, or if you're going to have this paper flap extended, then it will become like an oval shape. So when we paste something like this, it will become an oval shape. So to have a perfect cylinder shape, we need to make sure that this double-sided tape is as thin as possible. These double-sided tape are so strong and they don't warp the paper, so they are just perfect for parchment. So now we got the shape. So we are going to use this as a candle holder. So when you are using a real candle with real fire, then parchment luminary along with a glass will work best. If you are going to use some LED lights, then this is not necessary. We can use this even without a glass bottle. So we can decorate it and use just as such. Now to attach these quilled elements to the parchment, The glue which is suitable is silicone glue. So I usually get silicone glue from Itsy Bitsy. It is thicker in consistency, it is transparent, and it gives some additional 3D effect. Because I don't have the silicone glue for now, I'm going to use UHU glue. So countries where you people don't get the silicone glue, you can go with UHU, and this one is white in color. The last time I bought UHU glue, it is yellow in color, but this is transparent. The silicone glue and this UHU is solvent based, so and it is not water based. The glues like white glue, which is water based, when we apply to surface like parchment paper, it will make the paper to warp. You can see it's transparent. So I'm going to apply some glue only to the middle. I'm not going to stick the outer parts, only to the middle, because I doesn't want the shape of our candle holder or the luminary to get disturbed. So here you can see I have used both the types. This is using one layer, and this flower is made with 2 layers. You can just leave it as such, or you can add even more things. Put an LED candle into it. Hope you liked today's craft. Thanks for watching.